Hello and welcome. This video talk about home remedies for itching legs. Causes of itching legs are dry skin, fungi infection, scabies, allergic contact dermatitis, irritant contact dermatitis, psoriasis, plantar eczema. Signs and symptoms are rashes, cracked skin, itching, flaky skin, redness, swelling, bumps. Please don't forget to subscribe to this video. Here are 7 home remedies for itching. 1. Oatmeal soak. Start with a warm oatmeal soak. Add finely ground oatmeal to a bathtub filled with warm water and soak your legs for 15-20 minutes. Oatmeal has soothing properties that can relieve itching. 2. Baking soda. Paste. Make a paste using baking soda and water and apply it directly to the itchy areas on your legs. Let it sit for a few minutes before rinsing off with cool water. Baking soda can help reduce inflammation and itching. 3. Cold compress. Apply a cold compress to your itchy legs. Wrap some ice cubes in a towel or use a cold gel pack and gently press it against the affected areas for immediate relief from itching. 4. Aloe vera gel. Apply pure aloe vera gel to the itchy areas on your legs. Aloe vera has anti-inflammatory properties that can soothe irritated skin and alleviate itching. 5. Apple cider. Vinegar rinse. Mix equal parts of apple cider vinegar and water and use it as a rinse on your legs after showering. Apple cider vinegar has antiseptic properties that can help relieve itching and prevent infections. 6. Coconut oil. Massage. Gently massage coconut oil onto your itchy legs before bedtime. Coconut oil moisturizes the skin and forms a protective barrier, reducing itching and promoting healing. 7. Calamine lotion. Apply calamine lotion to the itchy areas on your legs. Calamine lotion contains ingredients like zinc oxide and ferric oxide, which can help soothe itching and dry out rashes or irritation. Please don't forget to subscribe, like, and share this video. Thanks for watching.